Hey guys, so for our first lesson, I want to talk about how important it is to have a proper foundation prior to braiding. And that foundation is making sure your client's hair is blown out properly. Most braiders require their clients to come with their hair washed and blown out, but sometimes the clients just does not get it right. As you can see from the drawing, her hair starts out at the root kind of trying to be straight, and then it's really curly at the ends. You do not want your client's hair to be like that before braiding, because those curls at the ends will pop through your braids, and it's just extremely difficult to braid hair like that. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and blow the client's hair. The first thing you want to do is always protect your client's hair with heat protectant. I like to use the Silk Elements heat protectant. I got that from Sally's. So you want to spray that all over your client's hair, and then you want to go in and blow their hair out properly. The reason why you don't want to braid with their curly ends is not only you're able to braid with it, it just takes time to continuously straighten your client's hair out with product as you're going. So not only are you taking up time, but you're also using excess products when you can just take the few minutes to blow the hair out properly. So what I like to do is I recently got this really nice blow dryer from Walmart. I think it's by Revlon. And before using this blow dryer, I used to have to use like my blow dryer plus a brush, and it was just extremely taxing on my hands. So me getting this blow dryer right here just makes things so much easier. It puts less timing on my blowing out process, and this is all I do. I just go in, I do the little curve. You can use whatever you want to blow dry. I'm just giving you guys something easier, something that works best for me now, after struggling after all these years with using the brush and my blow dryer. So you want to go in and you want to make sure those ends are straight. I'm focusing more on her ends because her roots is already what I need it to be. So what I need is for the ends to be blown out properly, and this is what you need it to look like. You see the big difference. I'm sure before the one on the right looked like it was blown out, but this is really what it looks like. And as you can see from the drawing, that's how you want her hair to look compared to the right side before starting to braid. So foundation is just extremely important. You want to make sure you pay attention to having a proper foundation before even getting started. That makes life so much easier. It makes braiding so much easier, and it's just better for overall to just make sure you start with a proper foundation. As you can see, I could barely like pull my fingers through that side of her head because it's not fully blown out, but the other side it goes through with a breeze. And this is what you're looking for when you have your client's hair fully blown out. So just take those extra few minutes, blow it out so you can have their hair looking like that. And that's what you want to do before you get started. Thank you guys for watching. Just continue on to the next lesson.